I'm Saira Draper, and I'm an attorney at Pope Trial Law. I love practicing law in Georgia. I've lived in Georgia for a very long time. I grew up here. I went to college here at Georgia Tech, go Jackets, and then I went to Washington, D.C. to law school at Georgetown University. I always knew I was going to be a lawyer. From a young age, people told me I like to argue, but that's not the only reason why. I just have a deep sense of justice. I always have. That's driven me through every facet of my life. But I knew that if I had a law degree, I could fight for the people that needed a fighter for them. I have worked on the defense side, representing some of the biggest companies in the world. I have represented individual clients, families, and children. And I've also represented the injured and those who really needed someone to step in for them and fight for them with everything they had. I am proud to serve as a state representative here in the state of Georgia. I work at the Georgia Capitol, fighting for constituents and for Georgians every single day. When it comes to justice, I don't just practice law, I live it every day. Justice is a value that I hold dear. I believe in a society where when something happens to a person, they're able to receive justice. I believe in accountability. I believe in fairness. And a lot of times it's not easy for people to get the justice that they deserve. And that's where we step in. I decided to join Pope Trial Law because I wanted to land at a spot that really cared about their clients, and I wanted to be at a very sophisticated, high-level law firm that practiced at the top levels. I love taking cases to trial. When I'm at trial, I eat, breathe, and sleep that trial. I like to represent my clients to the best of my abilities. It is my singular focus to make sure that they get the best representation possible and that I can get them everything they deserve. I want to have a huge impact when I'm there in front of the courtroom, and it's why I joined this practice, because I know that there will be many opportunities to serve our clients in that way. I want to help you. If you are in a situation where you have been hurt or a loved one has been hurt and you need representation, we want to be there for you. Give us a call. It's a free consultation, and we will figure out if we are the right fit for you and if we can bring justice to your case.